Hello guys, welcome to MojoCAD. So this is our rendering video of the pellet making machine and one of the last videos. Yeah, for all of you who have been here, please thank you for keeping around. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And please, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Yeah, my next video is going to be about silage making machine. Yeah, so these tutorials are fully complete and I normally share links to the pics of the dimensions that I generated. So please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. So this tutorial shall be using PhotoView 360, the one you're seeing here that is open. Yeah, it is found in the SolidWorks scene. There are 2 points in which you can activate it. The first one is through this gear. When you come to this gear, you select the adds in. Yeah, realize that below the SolidWorks Premium Adds-in shall have the PhotoView 360. Yeah, you come and check on it, and also realize that we have gotten some tools which weren't here before. So they've gotten activated, all these tools. Yeah, on my right hand I have also a shortcut that is normally there, but yeah, whatever that is here is also here. And the first tool, the first command is about appearance. So basically that is what we are going to start with. Yeah, we have different colors here, different profiles, so we want to basically get the final picture, what the client would like to see, maybe in an illustration or in a presentation. Yeah, so this is it. We are going to select at least some colors, appearances or materials, so that they help us in the final visuals of the pellet making machine. Yeah, so with appearances, can come here or come here. For my case, let me use this so that we are on the same page. So when you come and select on the appearances, there is a drop down here. These are mostly metals, so we shall use steel, so let's start with polished steel. Polished steel basically will be for the hopper. Yeah, so command manager is open or has activated. I'll leave it in apply component at component level. You come and say okay, so that one has been applied. However, you can also drag, you can just drag that my settings have been disorganized a bit and I have tools everywhere. So but let me see if I can demonstrate that on the frame just to see you guys the picture. So let me try. Nope, it's not happening. However, don't get confused. Whatever that the drag would do is also defined on the left, yeah, in the property manager. So only what you have to do, select the part that you want to give that color at component level. Yeah, I selected blue, or the anode aluminum or anodized aluminum, and I'll select the frame that I have. Yeah, which is that. So from here I'm going to do also some selection for the cylinders. That's the top and the bottom. Yeah, they will be the same material, so I'll basically present the two in the same manner. Yeah, so just come to appearance, go through the metals. Let us try chromium plate maybe. Yeah, so select that, colors will adjust here. Then they are telling us apply at component level, so I'll select this and I'll also, okay, that's one. Let me take the second one. It's already selected. Remember, it's chrome plate, so it has also changed the color. So whichever way, you can either select the material, you can drag, or you can select the command, then come to the property manager and select your items. Yeah, so and finally on the outlet of my pellets. Yeah, So the outlet, I think, can give it burnished aluminium, but no, let it be brushed aluminium. I can select that, then see, so this is now the drag bit of it. So I've just dragged the aluminum this time round, you get. Yeah, so let me go down here to my pulleys. I also give them different outlook, maybe in the painted. So let me first give the motor the red color. So then let me give blue color to this guy, and also this guy and that guy, you get. Yeah, so these amounts, and the base is going to be of steel. Yeah, which steel? Let's find out. Let's come here. There's brushed steel, stainless steel, carbon steel. So let's give it mild steel or carbon steel, which is this. I'll do the same. I'll come on, select that. Yeah, so there we are. Having selected the appearance or having edited the appearance, the next step is going to be the scene. So the scene, you can use these basic scenes that we normally have, or you can select more complex scenes. Come here and say edit scenes. You get several scenes that you can still use. Assuming I select that, all these, you get. Yeah, so any that you select, you can also do some trials just to make sure you get the best selection. Yeah, but for my case, not complicate things, I'll select the plane. Yeah, I'll use that. So I've selected the material for most of the items that I need, and the next step is going to be rendering. Yeah, let's come to the options before we do a final render and go through our items. So image size, you can select the image format that you want. Assuming I select this, or use SolidWorks view. Okay, let me use SolidWorks view. We see how it comes out. Maximum, yeah, this can make your computer to misbehave a bit. That's if it's a weak computer. So you can either go for best or good. They'll all be good, though the quality won't be that. It won't be the maximum, you get. Yeah, so gamma, we shall leave it at 1.6. Yeah, these are the points. We won't do any touches. Just go down. I think, yeah, can leave everything the way there. And here we shall do our final render. So these are different views. You can add the camera and have a point of focus, so you can add perspective view, or you can continue without any of the two. Yeah, so for now, let me continue without any of the two. So realize that a new window will open up, and this window is basically a preview of the render that is taking place. So here we've officially started our rendering, and we shall give it some time so that it finalizes. Yeah, so I did several renders and I'll be able to share most of them at the end of the video. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to share this render also in the videos that I've promised, and you see how basically the whole thing came out. Thank you so much. Please, if you're new, consider subscribing, and also keep around for another video of the silage making machine. Okay, yes, so here we are with our final render for the selected materials, and I think so far it's the best that I've done out of all these many that I tried out. Yeah, and the time it took was around 3 minutes, 13.7 microseconds, actually, yeah, 13 seconds you get. So yes guys, tell me, how is it? To me it looks perfect. I think we have picked something from this. Yeah, however, I also earlier on had done these. All these were different samples, so please comment, share, like and subscribe, and keep around for more tutorials like these ones. Yeah, you get. So there we are. Please leave a comment. Thank you so much.